Hello student, welcome back again grammar lecture. Today we will learn new chapter that is articles. So in this year we will learn the three articles that is a, and the. These are the three articles. The articles a, and the are determiners use before nouns and sometimes adjectives. Okay, so first we will see the two articles that is a and. So let's see the articles a and use to introduce a singular noun, and the articles a is used before a word that begins with a consonant. Now children, see downside. All consonants are given B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Means if the word start with this letter or this consonant, then we will use the articles a. For example, you have to see here, this is a flower. So flower word start with the letter F. So before the flower we use a. Now see the more example, a calf, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. So these all words start with a consonant. So before the consonant we will use articles a. Understood? Now we'll see the article and. When it is used, the articles and use before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Now there are 5 vowels a, e, I, o and u. If the word start with this letter or these vowel sounds, then we use the articles and. Now see the examples: an apple, an elephant, and ice cream, an otter, and umbrella. These all words start with the vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O and U. So before this we use the article and. So children understood how to use a and. Now we will see our next article that is D, T-H-E-D. When it is used, the articles the or the is used to introduce plural nouns. Children, before this you learned singular noun and plural nouns. So when plural nouns is there, to introduce plural nouns we use the article the. Again what see? We use the articles when a person, place, animal or things is mentioned a second time, or in a simple language what we say when we speak about the particular things, place, person or animals, we use the article the. For example, you have to see here the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls. Now have you seen the plural nouns and the particular names of that things? Then we use the articles the. Now you have to see the all articles in a sentence. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. Now see children, here we use all articles together. This is a flower. So here we use a before the flower. We want to speak about the particular flower. So before that we use the. And here orange word start with the letter O. So O is a vowel. So before that we use articles and. So children understood how to use the articles in a sentence?